Hey guys, what's good? Welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new here, my name is Shanae. And before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and comment down below because I really do love to interact with you guys down in the comments. So today's video is going to be on how I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your crochet hair when you have alopecia. So I suffer from traction alopecia, so it's really hard for me to do a lot of hairstyles. So these are the hairstyles that I do when I have my hair up in crochets. So I wanted to come and share with you guys that we're not just limited just to wearing it in just this style. There's other styles we can wear it too. But if you guys are interested to see how I came up with these looks, then keep watching. Enjoy the looks that I came up with, showing you guys how you guys can rock your crochet, your deep wave crochet hair. You don't always have to just be stuck with one hairstyle. You know, just because we have alopecia don't mean that we gotta hold it back. You know, we gotta let them know, like, yeah, we have alopecia and we're here and we're gonna show you guys that we can still wear the same hairstyle just like everybody else. You know, we're still human beings, we still have feelings, you know, and we want to be able to show people that, yeah, we have alopecia, but we still can wear our hair and still feel beautiful and not be ashamed for having alopecia. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.